Hello viewers, here is your guy the Betong TalkShow and you are welcome to the Betong TalkShow. Tomorrow we're going to have a show with Jayson and Tommi as our guest speaker, and we're going to talk about Photoshop, editing, social media, Instagram, Facebook, you can name it all. And we are going to talk about also how the Betong TalkShow began, how the ideas first collaborated by Tommi and Jayson and me also. Then we come together and bring out this beautiful content to share with you guys. And tomorrow I believe that you guys are gonna learn so much from Jayson and Tommi, because they are the two big guys and they know it all. To me, I know they know it all. So I believe that they're gonna inform you guys much as you guys want to learn from Photoshop, editing, software editing, what the various tools that are out there. I mean, we're going to learn more in addition to what Jayson elaborated in the last show. So I want you guys to be there. I want you guys to be in the show. I want you guys to be part of this show, because tomorrow's show is going to be the best and most interesting show that you guys have ever watched so far since the beginning of the show. And Jayson, you know him already, but Tommi is a new guy. We haven't seen him, but he's always behind the scene. And I believe that tomorrow you guys are going to learn more about him, and he's powerful. So be there. Thank you so much for being with me. I want you guys to always stick with me as I stick with you. Let's stick together and stick as one. Have a nice time. Bye bye.